going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I was scrolling through Instagram and noticed that MHD posted a new update. Now, as you know, on this channel, whenever MHD has a new update, I try to make a video on it, kind of explaining it. So yeah, I was just reading about it. Looks like they have a new update with the Burbles. Now you can adjust your Burbles on your steering wheel. I'm not sure which button does that, but we'll find out. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and head to the garage and kind of take a closer look and see what exactly this means. Pretty sure we're gonna be able to just switch through different maps and have an easier way to turn on and off the Burbles without having to flash the car and wait like 10 minutes and everything. So yeah, let's check it out. I'll see you in the garage. All right, so just got to the garage. Let's turn this light on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in the car and we're gonna open up MHD and kind of start playing around with some settings and yeah, try to see what this is all about. All right guys, so we're gonna take my Beamer Sense adapter, plug it in, and let's hop into this. It's always a pain to plug this in. You gotta like crawl far into your car. So we got it all plugged in. Let's turn the car on. So we are connected to MHD right now. I'm probably just gonna display my screen somewhere on your guys' screen. So we're gonna open it up, flash the MHD map, let it contact the DME. Okay, perfect. So everything looks the same, and then you wanna scroll to the bottom and it's gonna say MHD plus Multimap. So what you're gonna wanna do is hit what stage you're running. I'm just running a stage 1 tune right now, so we're gonna hit stage 1 and then hit the multi-map box. And so you're gonna wanna go ahead and hit options and exhaust burbles. Now it's gonna give you this screen where you have your anti-lag settings, which I have activated. And then it's gonna give you, you know, your exhaust setup, aftermarket downpipes for my case. And then, so here's where we're gonna be talking about. So you have your exhaust burble settings. Now these settings are already set up for me right now. I have them set up how I like them. So that's gonna be my main usage of them. So what's new about this update is you scroll down to you know, transmission, you have your rev match settings. So I have all of those turned on right now. So just, you know, for better racing and better driving experience and everything, I just have my rev match turned on. But once you have all that set up on the main page, you're going to want to go to your map 2 at the bottom. And this can be completely different. You can change it to completely off, which I'm going to change it to off on my map 2. So I'm going to keep everything off on this side. And then you go down and there's map 3. So we're going to hit map 3. And yeah, so basically guys, you have different maps for your exhaust burbles. So if you want some really aggressive pops, have at it. If you want some soft pops, you can have that too. And if you want to be able to turn it completely off, you can do that as well, all with the press of a button on your steering wheel. So that's just really awesome that we're able to do that. So I'll just kind of play around with my settings and we'll flash the car and see how it works. All right guys, so I have all of my maps all set up. So we are flashing the car right now. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to start up the car and kind of go between each map and see how this fully works. All right guys, so I have the car fully flashed. Now it took me a little bit to figure out how you do this. I had to go on their website and do a little bit of research. But what you're gonna wanna do is go to the set button right here on the steering wheel. You're gonna hold it. Now it's gonna give you a blinking check engine light, and the RPMs are gonna be sitting at a certain number. Now when you go to this little toggle, so I'm gonna go down, look at the RPMs. It switches between each map. So those are your 4 maps that you get. Now you can make these maps with like different tunes and everything. Right now this video is just about different burble settings. So if we go to 1, we're gonna hold the set button, and then it's gonna go back to its regular RPM. Now we're gonna rev it. And that is like a super aggressive, like high burble setting. So if I wanna change that, I'm gonna hold it again, go to map 2, hold it down. All right, now I'm gonna rev it. And these are with no burbles. So no pops or anything. Now, I forgot what I set the last 2 at. So let's hold it, go to map 3, set it to that. Okay, we're gonna rev it. I think that's the soft setting. Okay, now what's the 4th one set to? I literally forgot what I set these to. Okay, go to the 4th one. Alright, that one's pretty aggressive. I'm pretty sure that's my medium setting. So I've got my aggressive map right there on slot 2, then on slot 1, and then on slot 2 I have my like burbles completely turned off. 3 it's OEM, and 4 is like a medium. They're super out of order, but anyways, that's super cool that you can switch it and control it with that button. That's seriously props to them. But that's gonna end this video. There's really nothing else to touch on this topic other than that's a super cool update. I love being able to control everything with my steering wheel and not having to go back and reflash the car and everything. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If you guys want to try this out, go for it. I think it's going to be you know, super helpful in the future and everything. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.